Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. Me, Samra Rashid, your science teacher here in BFC Nushair of Rose. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Dear students, welcome back to our science class. Dear students, today we are going to solve exercise number 2 on book page number 83. Okay, so let us start exercise number 2. Mark the sentence with true or false. Dear student, first is sound waves can travel only through water and other liquids. No, it's wrong because sound waves can travel through water, solid and liquids. Okay, so it's false. Next is sound waves travel in one direction. No, it's false. Sound waves travel in all directions. Okay, you can have sound without anything vibrating. No, it's wrong. Okay, next is very loud sound can damage hearing. Yes, very loud sound can damage our hearing. It's true. Less vibration create louder sound. Dear student, it false. Less vibration create soft sound. Okay, and high vibration create louder sound. Okay, so it's false. Light rays travel faster than the sound waves. Dear student, it's true. Yes, light rays travel faster than the sound waves. Okay, next is the sun, the moon and the stars are all luminous objects. Dear students, it's true. The sun, the moon and stars all are luminous object. बेटा सन स्टार्स क्या है, लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट है, बट मून जो है ये क्या है, नॉन लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, बट मून जो है वो लाइट किससे लेता है, सन से लेता है. तो जब मून हमें लाइट देता है तो वो क्या बन जाता है, लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. इस वजह से हम इसको क्या करेंगे, ट्रू करेंगे. ओके, सन, मून एंड स्टार और ऑल luminous object. The brightness of light is called its intensity. Dear student, it's true. Yes, the brightness of light is called its intensity. बेटा लाइट की जो ब्राइटनेस होती है वो क्या कहलाती है, उसकी इंटेंसिटी कहलाती है. ओके, dear students, next is the intensity of light increase as we move away from the source of light. Dear student, it's false. The intensity of light decrease as we move away from the source of light. बेटा जैसे जैसे हम लाइट से दूर जाएंगे लाइट की इंटेंसिटी जो है वो कम होती जाएगी. जैसे जैसे हम लाइट के नज़दीक आएंगे लाइट की इंटेंसिटी क्या होगी, ज़्यादा होगी. अगर हम लाइट से दूर जाएंगे तो उसकी इंटेंसिटी क्या होगी, कम होगी. ओके, सो इट्स फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट इज़ a shadow is always smaller than the object itself. Dear student, it's wrong. Okay, dear students, we have completed exercise number 2. Now it's turn to your homework. Beta, now today's your homework is solve exercise number 2 on book page number 83 and 84 and also memorize exercise number 2. Okay students, we will be continue our next class tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.